All right, math legends. Let's see if you can solve this math problem first before I do. And you know the drill. If you know the answer or you want to explain to the community, hey, this is how you solve the answer, go ahead and put that in the comment section down below. And also, please subscribe to support this channel and get more challenging problems like this one. We have 2 divided by 2 divided by 2 divided by 2 times 2. All right, so how can we tackle this problem? Okay, well, according to PEMDAS, you read from left to right according to its levels, and we know that multiplication and division are within this level, so we just read from left to right. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, right? So I'll write 1 like that, and then I want to write it into a fraction too. 1 over 1 equals 1. I just like doing it that way to make the math easy, and then we'll bring down the division symbol down, the 2 down, and I want to turn that 2 into a fraction as well. And let's go ahead and tackle this one, and then we'll continue bringing down the other symbols or operations and numbers. So we have 1 divided by 2, sorry, 1 over 1 divided by 2 over 1. So we'll use the keep change flip method, but we don't have to. We can just say 1 divided by 2 is half, right? Even though we can just flip this. So let's go ahead and flip it just for practice. So we'll keep this, right? We'll change the division symbol to multiplication and then write it 1 over 2. So we flip the last part. 2 over 1 becomes 1 over 2. And then multiply across, and look at that, you got your 1/2. So I was right. So then I'll write it here, 1 over 2. Bring down the division symbol down, then the 2 down, and I want to turn that 2 into a fraction, and then leave the times 2 alone. We'll tackle that later. So 1/2 divided by 2. Let's just use the keep change flip method. So we'll copy this, change the division symbol to multiplication, and then we'll flip this fraction. So it'll be 1 over 2. And we multiply across, so 1 over 4. And this cannot be simplified further, so that's it. We bring down that times 2. Run out of space here, so I'll just continue here. So 1 over 4 times 2. So you multiply 2 times 1 is 2 over 4. So it'll be 2 over 4, and this can be simplified further. So 2 divided by 2, 4 divided by 2. We're breaking this fraction to a simplest form, or simplest term. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. So your answer is 1/2, and we know 1/2 equals 0.5. That's a decimal, so we're not going to use long division for that, but if you want to, you can go ahead and do it. But yeah, 1 over 2 is your answer, or 0.5. And there you go.